And the final thing I will be showing y'all is my documentation. My name is Kayvon, doing this for my computer science B30 intro to software engineering class. Of course, have my little description up here. I'm the author. And basically with JavaDocs, you just show or use the the slash star and press enter, and it'll bring up all your parameters and your methods. Go down here. You can do that for all your code, and I did that for all of my code. So is my ingredient little description. Say I'm the author. My parameters for my ingredient, a little small description for the method, my getters, and that's about it.